Welcome to my study channel friends. Friends, today we are going to discuss CTET previous year exam one-liner question answers. Topic is social studies / science. These are most important questions and without wasting time, friends, let us start. So the question number 1 is dash not a site of Mughal Chahar Bagh. So the answer is Qubbat-ul-Islam Mosque. Question number 2 is Ramabai, who championed the cause of women's education, never went to school, yet she given the title of पंडिता विकास. रामाबाई जो थी वो कभी भी स्कूल में नहीं गई, फिर भी जो है उसको पंडिता का टाइटल दिया गया. इसका रीजन क्या है? फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन to the examination point of view because it has been repeated many times. So the answer is she could read and write Sanskrit, a remarkable achievement, as women during her time were not allowed to acquire such knowledge. So let's move to question number 3. Who was a veteran national leader of the salt satyagraha in South India? So the answer is C. Rajagopalachari. Let's move to question number 4. In 1856, which Governor General decided that Bahadur Shah Jafar would be the last Mughal ruler king, and after his death, none of the descendants would be recognized as a king? So the answer is Dalhousie. Jyotirao Phule dedicated his books गुलामगिरी टू. ज्योतिराव फुले जो है उन्होंने जो है अपनी जो गुलामगिरी बुक है वो किसको डेडिकेट की है? आंसर इज अमेरिकन्स हु पार्टिसिपेटेड इन द अमेरिकन सिविल वॉर टू एंड स्लेवरी. सो लेट्स मूव टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज डैश आइटम known as calico were taken back by the Portuguese to Europe from India. This is very important question. So the answer is cotton textiles. Cotton textile item known as calico were taken back by the Portuguese to Europe from India. Let's move to question number 7. Question number 7 is a teacher feels that there is considerable content load at the upper primary level. Suggest best approach from the following options to resolve this problem. So from the options, the answer is develop theme that could teach several concepts across disciplinary boundaries. Friends, I have not written another options here because the questions are based on the one-liner concept only. So the answer is develop theme that could teach several concepts across disciplinary boundaries. Let's move to question number 8. Question number 8 is deep wars, or you can say deep wars, are made to reach materials deposits that lie at great depths. This kind of mining is known as, जो हम बोर जो है बहुत गहरे गहरे बोर जो है वो क्या करते हैं, खोदते हैं. किस लिए? ताकि हमें जो है मिनरल्स जो है वो मिल सके. तो दिस काइंड ऑफ माइनिंग जो है उसे क्या बोलते हैं हम? आंसर इज ड्रिलिंग. Uranium found in Ladakh is an example of. Uranium found in Ladakh is an example of potential resource. Answer is potential resource. Question number 10. The legislative organ of the state refers to dash. Answer is the elective representative of the citizens. Question number 11 is hot springs are formed as a result of heat energy obtained from dash. Hot springs are formed as a result of heat energy obtained from dash, that is geothermal energy. Answer is geothermal energy. Question number 12 is while selecting a historical narrative, dash objective should be considered. Answer is making causal relations and inferences. Let's move to question number 13. Dash subject is not included in social science at upper primary level. Important question है ये. So the answer is psychology. Psychology subject is not included in social science at the upper primary level. Question number 14. Dash human values would be most important for ensuring principles of social equality. So the answer is mutual respect. Question number 15. Dash learning material is most relevant to teaching of rotation of the earth at class 6 level. So answer is globe. Globe लर्निंग मटेरियल जो है, ग्लोब जो है, जो लर्निंग मटेरियल जो है जिसमें कि ग्लोब आता है, वो बहुत ही हेल्पफुल होता है, मोस्ट रेलिवेंट टीचिंग एड है अगर हम जो है अर्थ रोटेशन के बारे में जो है बच्चों को टॉपिक पढ़ा रहे हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. द बेस्ट मेथोडोलॉजी टू टीच द थीम फैक्ट्री वुड बी. फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन बिकॉज it has been repeated in the previous years too. So the answer is organize a visit to an plant, that is industry plant, or you can say factory. So Binay Pitaka is a book that records. Question is important. Binay Pitaka is a book that records. Answer is Buddhist rules. Question number 18. Dash landforms is largely rich in mineral deposits, that is plateau. Question number 19. Who supervises the work of patuary? Question is easy, but during exam time sometime it seems difficult because we confused while writing the answer of these questions. So who supervises the work of patuaries? Answer is Tehsildar. Question number 20. Dash are not earthquake waves. Answer is harbor waves are not earthquake waves. Question number 21. What is capital? इसको बोलते हैं EduSat. EduSat जो है, this question is also repeated many times. So it is very important question. Answer is a man-made Indian satellite. So let's move to next question, that is question number 22. Development occurs in human beings. Answer is throughout life. Development जो है इंसान की ज़िंदगी में जो है वो throughout life तक जो है वो चलती रहती है. उसके बाद में आता है next guys, here we have discussed all the questions. Now there is a question for you. You have to guess the answer and comment in the comment box. So question is, which is the difficult age of development? I repeat the question, which is the difficult age of development? Please answer this question in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.